Hello students, today we are going to do inverse of a matrix. So inverse of a matrix. Any square matrix A that is non-singular. The matrix A should be non-singular. That is its determinant should be not equal to 0. So any square matrix A whose determinant is not equal to 0 is said to be invertible. Invertible, that is inverse of A exists. So any square matrix A is said to be invertible if there exists a matrix B such that AB is equal to Y, which is equal to B. Then B is said to be inverse of A. अगर A का inverse exist करता है, then A is said to be invertible matrix. और उसका inverse अगर कोई एक और square matrix B है such that AB is equal to Y, which is also equal to BA, then B is said to be the inverse of A. That is, B will be equal to A inverse. So A inverse means reciprocal of the matrix. So which implies A into A inverse is equal to Y, which is equal to A inverse into A. Now how to find this A inverse? इसको हमने find कैसे करते हैं? We did the property A into adjoint A is equal to determinant A into I. Now multiplying both sides with A inverse, so you will get A inverse determinant A into I. So A into A inverse is, this is equal to I, this is equal to adjoint A, which is A inverse into determinant A. आइडेंटिटी किसी के साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो वही मैट्रिक्स आ जाएगा. So therefore adjoint A will be equal to A inverse into determinant A. So which implies A inverse is adjoint A upon determinant A. So that is how A inverse can be calculated. So A inverse is given by, so A inverse will be equal to adjoint of that matrix upon determinant of that matrix. That is A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant of it. Okay. Now let's find the inverse of some matrix. Find the inverse of matrix 2 1 5 4 3 2 1 2 1. We have to find the inverse of this matrix. Now let's take this matrix equal to A. It is 2 1 5 4 3 2 1 2 1. Let's find its determinant. It will be 2 into 3 minus 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 2 plus 5 into 8 minus 3. So this is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 1 into 2 plus 5 into 5. So which is equal to minus 2 plus 25. So determinant A is equal to 21. So which is not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. Now let's find adjoint of the same matrix, adjoint of it. First we find the minors. First we will find the minors, then cofactors, then I will take its transpose. So what is the minor of 2? It is minus 1. Minor of 1, it is 2. Minor of 5, it is 5. Minor of 4, minus 9. Minor of 3, minus 3. Minor of 2, it is 3. Minor of 1, it is minus 13. Minor of 2, 4, minus 20, minus 16. And the minor of 1, it is 2. These are the minors. Cofactors में हम इन positions का sign change कर देंगे. Transpose. So adjoint A comes out to be, which is equal to minus 1, minus 2, 5, 9, minus 3, minus 3, minus 13, 16 and 2. So this is adjoint A. Now what is inverse? A inverse is adjoint A upon determinant of A, and the determinant of A is equal to 21, so it is 1 by 21 times, it is minus 1, 9, minus 13, so minus 2, minus 3, 16, 5, minus 3 and 2. So this is the A inverse, inverse of the matrix. Now let's do one thing. Let's find A into A inverse. Let's find A into A inverse. A आपके पास ये वाला मैट्रिक्स है, इनवर्स हमने फाइंड आउट किया है, इसको हम इससे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. इट इज A into A inverse, that is 1 by 21 times minus 1, 9, minus 13, minus 2, minus 3, 16, 5, minus 3, 2. Let's find this A into A inverse. It will be written as 1 by 21, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. It is minus 1, 9, minus 13, minus 2, minus 3, 16, 5, minus 3, 2. Now this is A inverse. Let's multiply it. 1 by 21. It will be minus 2 minus 4 plus 25, it is 21. 18 minus 3, 15 minus 15, 0. It is again 0. Minus 4 minus 6 minus 10 plus 10, 0. 36 minus 9, and it is 21, because 36 minus 9, it will be 27. 27 minus 6, it is 21. So minus 52 plus 48 plus 4, that is 0. Minus 1 minus 4 plus 5, it is 0. 9 minus 6 minus 3, it is 0. It is minus 13 plus 32, minus 13 plus 32 plus 2. So what is this? 32 minus 13, it will be 19 plus 2, it is 21. So 1 by 21, अब हर एक टर्म को 1 by 21 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So which is equal to y? So which implies A into A inverse is equal to y. So now A inverse, that is basically the reciprocal of the matrix. अगर उस मैट्रिक्स को हम उससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे उसके इनवर्स है तो the result should be I. So this is how we calculate the inverse of the matrix. Now the most important properties which you have to remember about the inverse, the properties, important properties of inverse, जो basic properties हैं जो आपको याद रखनी है, that is first property, it is A into A inverse is equal to y, which is equal to A inverse into A. Second property is A inverse whole inverse, that is always equal to A, and A inverse determinant, it is always equal to 1 upon determinant of A, and AB inverse will always be equal to B inverse and into B inverse into A inverse. So these are the few very important properties which you must remember. So students, this is how we calculate the inverse of the matrix. Thank you.